What's going on, everyone? It is Paul, the 920 Trader with 920 Trading and Trading Decoded. Today is, what's today? Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, the 5th. It's the 5th of June, 2024, and we're live trading right now, folks. We're absolutely live trading. So this is going on right now. It is just, it's been banger after banger after banger after banger. So before we get into that, folks, if you like our videos, please go ahead and give us a like and a subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. That way you can be notified when we drop new content, which is just about every day and sometimes on the weekends. Also, give us a comment and a share. Sharing is caring. But again, we are watching live trading right now, folks. Now, I've been in this trade since 48. So a 1348, close to that 1348, had the old double cross to the upside on an uptrending day. Lived through a couple of nice little pullbacks in here, folks. Some really, really nice pullbacks. And again, we are looking for 534.24. So I wanted to go live just to show everybody exactly what we talk about when we are in the middle of a trade. And this is it right here, folks. So everybody in the group, everybody in this trade right now, this is what we're looking at. We have support at 533.71. We're going to use that 9 as support to potentially take us up to our target. And again, our target is up here at 534.24. Why is that a target? Well, it's a target because it's a John Carter pivot point. We use these pivot points every single day. Now, we don't have any historical context to look back on. We've never been at this level, folks. We are, again, at all-time highs. So the result of that is we have to have some sort of a target. And the best targets that I've found, again, are these John Carter pivot points. So hopefully you can hang in there with us while we punch this all-time high, again, right up here, 534.24. Now, here's the danger in this move right here, folks. You can see this volume profile. Now, this is crazy. If we breach 533.74, and you guys are watching this too, I'm not just talking to YouTube land, I'm talking to everybody in the group right now. If we breach 533.74 to the downside, it's not beyond the realm of possibilities to absolutely dump, okay? So we have to stay above that. So right now, we're going to use that 9 as support. There we go, trying to get in this thin volume up top, folks. So that is it. That's what we're looking for up top. Now, if we look at it from a 5-minute standpoint, that is what we got on the 5-minute right here, guys. And again, I'm looking at my other screen, so I'm not looking right at the camera right now. So yeah, that's kind of what we're doing, folks. PYGB. So I'm not only watching the chart, folks, but I'm also watching my group chat. So I got my group chat going on, and what would John Carter do? Yes. RYGB, that's run, you glorious bastard. And again, folks, we got all these cool things going on in the group right now. Okay, by a show of hands, everybody in the group right now, how many people are in this trade to the upside right now? Again, how many people are in calls right now? Here comes Pedro. Pedro's in. Gotta be. I know Raf is in this trade. Drunko's in. Broccoli is in. We got a bunch of people, folks. We got a whole bunch of people in this trade. My guess, Drunko, we got a bunch of people in this trade, folks. We have a whole bunch of people. Raf just said, "Run, bitch." So yeah, but again, we are watching this. We're walking through this entire live trade right now, folks. So if it takes 5 minutes to get there, it does, Lighty. I agree. Hit it with a stick. Watch this level right here, folks. This is a kind of a critical level, 533.75. So 533.75, if we breach that to the downside, again, it's not beyond the realm of possibilities to really, really push it down. Now look at the volume that we have on this move. We have more volume now than I believe we've had the vast majority of the day. So yeah. Now the fact that there is not a whole lot of volume up here means that it's easy to push it down as well, folks. So again, we always have to be aware of where on the volume shelf. Yeah, I see that, Broccoli. On the volume profile, again, this is why we use volume profile right here, folks. So live trading, because if we get below that, watch that one candle take out every single one of these gains. And I've been in this trade for 6:40, 54 minutes right now, folks. I think 54. Yep. You got 5:33.88. All right, Raf, I like that. Well, you just got your target. There you go. There you go. Good target, good play. Again, trying to get a push through, looking for 5:33.24, 5:33.24 up here, folks. So this is literally, folks, this is what we do every single day in this group. We talk about these trades every single day. So this is live, and this is also volume profile. Okay, this is the 1 minute chart that we're looking at right now. We can also switch to the 3 minute, see what it looks on the 3 minute. Looks like, and again, you got that good 3 minute support at 53.79. And it's going to be the same right here, 5:33.79. We're trying to get this little push up here right now, folks. And again, we're watching 1 minute candles right now. We could switch it to any time frame. But again, let's go get that 5:34.24. For those of you in this trade right now, if you are in this trade right now, how does the POC? Well, if we get enough volume, and it should move up to about 5:33.82, right? There it is. Bingo. Right on cue, folks. Right on cue. Exactly. That's our support. There is our support. They have today, because look at the volume that's poured in. Look at the volume up here. I'm not a wizard, man. I'm not a wizard. I just saw this volume and I missed it by a penny. I missed it by a penny. Again, that's our new support, folks. Again, in our quest for 5:33.24. Anybody out there in YouTube land that is questioning whether to join this group or not, this right here is why you join our group. We talk about every single one of these trades. We talk through every single one of these trades. Drunko's saying, join, join, join. Folks, we're going to give you that first week for free. Again, we kind of know, folks, we have a lot of collective experience in our group. I mean, oh my goodness, this group has some just top-notch A-plus traders. You know, we trade some different styles in here, but my goodness, we have some excellent traders. So folks, come check us out. Yeah, but again, we're going to stay here until we can potentially, let's see if we can take out this 5:34.24. I've been looking for this level all day, folks. But yeah, we'll see if we can take it out. But we're going to stay live until we do, one way or another. It is a great community. I agree, Max. It is a wonderful community. I agree 100%. Yeah. So anyway, we're still pushing up, folks. It's a grinder. It's kind of a slow grinder right now. The good news is we're above the POC. Got that POC sitting at 5:33.82. We're above that low volume area at 5:33.74. Q's going up. Thank you there, Pedro. And you know, different people in the group look at different things, folks. Some people look at the Qs. Some people look at ADD. Drunko looks at different things. Now, again, watch this level. I caught that out of the corner of my eye. Watch for support here. If you breach support right here, back to the downside, past 82, might start taking those US 30, baby. Might start taking calls off the table. So we're going to use this 9 as support, and ultimately our POC as support as well. But yeah, we got some just top-notch traders in here, folks. We're retail traders. This is what we do. I'll put our group up against anybody else out there, folks, all day long. All day long. All right, folks. You know, we've had some really, really good trades during the day. I missed this trade early because I said, you know what, I'm not going to take a trade unless it comes out of a major zone. The first major zone trade was down here at 1052. Push, gave it a lot of room, and then this close here, open here. And again, since 48, so we're 58 minutes into this trade right now. 58 minutes into this trade right now. But again, folks, we're still staying above. We're just watching lines on the screen. We're staying above this POC. But again, it's looking kind of could get tenuous if we breach this 5:33.75-ish back to the downside, folks. But again, we're going to stay in this thing as long as we can, as long as we don't break that big time support. You know, so Genghis just said he wished he had 3 calls, those same 3 calls from this morning. You took those trades off the table for a specific reason, okay? Once you're out of that trade, folks, be done with it. And then if you get reconfirmed into a trade, get reconfirmed into the trade, but don't play the woulda, coulda, shoulda game. Don't do that. Always have a reason for getting in and always have a reason for getting out of the trade. So yeah, that's what we're doing here, folks. Still riding that 9 very nicely up here. If we look at the 3-minute, it looks like this. So we have this support down at 533.79. And again, we don't want to breach this 75 level down here because it could just really dump at that point. You had a good reason to get out. Exactly, you did. You made 15% on your account today. You kidding me? That's amazing. That's amazing. We do this every day in here, folks. And again, we're going to give this a couple more minutes to see if we can push up again. Here's your 2-minute view. 2-minute view right here, folks. 1-minute candles are heart attack candles. We like to take our entrances on 1-minute candles and then look at those higher time frames to kind of lower the anxiety. We're going to do a heart rate check right here, folks. See what we got going on. And it tends to get a little bit. 62, Raf's at 62. I got 65. I want to see if I can get it down to about 58 again. Pedro got in at 1432. Excellent. Raf, nice. Yeah, I like to get it in the 50s, but no, it's in the low 60s. So we'll take that. But again, folks, watch these areas right in here. This is for the vast majority of people. Unless you're in our group right now, you're not going to see this obviously until after market close today. So after market close, this will have already played out. So you will know at market close how this thing turns out. We're doing it real time right now, folks. It's just like old Bill O'Reilly said. We'll do it live. We'll do it live. Again, don't breach this area back down here, folks. Be prepared, folks. Be prepared. Watch this level. Again, watch this level. Because if we breach it, we're going to have to take it off the table. Yeah, because it could go. Again, watch this volume shelf right in here, folks. You do not want to mess with it. Hey, Genghis, have fun playing Frolf today, my friend. Have a good day. I'll talk to you later. And again, folks, we want to stay above this shelf right here because it gets a little bit tenuous down below this area, folks. And again, folks, if you watched my video this morning, I talked about not taking plays unless they came directly out of major zones. So we want to take plays directly out of major levels. Why? Well, because number one, they're major levels for a reason. You know, something has happened at that level sometime in the past to make it a major level. So again, 30-minute demand zones low. Now, if we're pushing up like on a day like we did today, you're going to have to look at different things. You're going to have to look at things like pre-market high. So you got pre-market high in here. And again, this is the 2-minute. If we look back at the 1-minute, you can see I had a cross in here. So you got pre-market high, and then you got things like pivot points. So you got a pivot point up here, you know, kind of a midline in here, and pivot points in here, and so on and so forth. So we officially passed the 1 hour mark in this trade, folks. Hour and 3 minutes at this point, hour and 3 minutes. Again, we're going to see if we can take this back to the upside, get through that 434 up through 434.24. We're going to give this just a few more minutes. Just a few, folks. And again, if you guys, who's still in this trade? What's up, Panda? If you are still in this trade, just remember, folks, we're just watching lines on a screen. trying to get that push, one more push back to the upside to give us that 534.24. And again, this is how I talk through every single one of these trades every single day. All right, Pedro, Qs are still breaking back to the upside. Perfect, perfect. Still got NVIDIA still cruising up there, folks. You can see that up there, 1217. That's crazy. Esky, today was a big day. No question about it, my friend. No question about it. We are 7 minutes away from the hour of power, folks. 7 minutes away. Now, once we hit that pivot point, that level that we're looking for up here, I'll shut the video down for the day. Either that or we break support. If we break support, I will shut the video down for the day as well. But still, at this point, still cruising along up here, folks. Still cruising along. Want to get that push, push, push. Get one more push back to the upside, see if she can do it. But again, that's what we're looking at up here, guys. Yeah, 434. So we got 434. Did we officially hit 430? We got 434 as an all-time high, folks. That's insane. Numbers are absolutely insane. I mean, this $5 run today, $5-6 run. These are the days as traders, you know, when we can do well on these days, it's amazing. Just absolutely amazing. And again, folks, never get caught into that trap where it can't go higher. So on a day like today, do not get caught in the thinking, I've got to short it at a specific level thinking it can't go higher, because it can. It can, and it often does. Same thing back to the downside. It can't go lower. Oh, really? Well, check it to the downside, folks. It can go lower. It can always do that. Slow grind. They are, Jason. They really are. You know, because the toughest thing, I think the toughest thing about the slow grind days is that the pullbacks really, really hurt you. Because it's, you know, it's tough. Man, that's awesome there, Brock. I've been in NVIDIA since 236 a share. That's amazing. Again, folks, we got to give this thing 5 minutes, see what she looks like on the 5 minute. That's what she looks like. So we got this, we got a quad bottom. We got a quad bottom on the 5. We got a triple, or at least a double top at about 533.97. So we got a 16 cent or so range over the last 20 minutes, which is not necessarily really good for options, folks, because the closer you get to the end of the day, the faster theta really kicks you in your gonads. So yeah, but again, folks, let's see if we can get one more push. Trying to get one more push back to the upside. All right, so bells and whistles are going to go off. All that kind of stuff is going to go off once we hit, if we hit that 534.24, folks. So it's kind of the same thing that I was looking for earlier. We had this pivot point at 532.96, and then we had 533.07 as the old all-time high. And I really thought in here we're going to get a nice wick that pushed through here, and then we could take profit up, you know, on a wick. Didn't happen. Took it on the red candle. Still a decent play back to the upside. This is a long, arduous play that we've been in right here, folks. Pullbacks a little bit dirty. I mean, it's not a horrible move, but yeah, it could certainly be faster. We like faster moves, no question about that. But you know, it just is what it is. So yeah. And again, folks, we're about 20 minutes into this video right now. I don't know how many people are actually going to watch this entire video for the day. Maybe they will. I have no idea. Particularly, watch this double cross to the downside, folks. But again, watch this level right in here. So 533.83, 533.83. And much faster. Absolutely. Yeah, the problem, they move a lot faster. Options move faster against you than they do in your favor. Unless you're so deep in the money, you know, that they just go. But again, folks, watch this level right in here. We're going to cut this video here. If we break this support And again, folks, you can see this very, very clearly. This is the volume today. This is it. So these candles, these are called volume candles. So the wider they are, the heavier the volume. You can see on these candles, there are these volume sticks down below. You got your volume sticks, you got your candles right here, folks. The wider the stick, the heavier the volume. We might, Jason, I have no earthly idea. We might. Well, thank you there, Esky. We are different traders. We offer different styles. Talking about Jimmy, we offer different styles of trading, but I think we both do a good job. And there is my man Donnie.
God, it smells good in here. Somebody's cooking.
Yeah, what's up, brother?
What's up, man?
I'm live. I'm doing a YouTube live video right now. Oh, you're
sorry.
good. You're good. You're good. We've been in this trade for over an hour now, since 48. So since 1348. And we're trying to push that to 534.24. So 534.24. But yeah, Esky, we trade different styles. But Jimmy's really good. He's really, really good. So my maximum video length, folks, is 30 minutes. So I've got about 8.5 minutes to go. Yeah, Jimmy's one and done. He takes that one trade and he's done for the day. And that's fine. That's how he trades. That's how he does it. Again, folks, we're trying to get, okay, so we had a double cross to the downside here a few minutes ago. We had a double cross here a couple minutes ago, and we're working on another double cross. If we breach 84, I'm taking myself out of this trade right in here, folks, because this is going to be the third double cross to the downside. And I will be forced to take myself out of this trade. I won't be forced to do anything, but I will. Might get something on a 3 o'clock candle. Yeah, we might. We absolutely might. Yeah, again, this could get dangerous down here. If we breach this 75 to the downside, this thing's gone. And we got 3, 2, 1. It is 3 o'clock on the Eastern Seaboard, folks. This is where the magic happens. So be prepared. Be prepared. Yeah, if we breach, whew, yeah, she could come down pretty hard right here. Here she goes. Here she goes. Here she goes. This is the volume profile at work right here, folks. This is a volume profile. Okay, so I'm going to take myself out of this trade. It looks like right in here, maybe. Nope, stay green. Okay, so we're still good. Whew. That was a shaker outer if I've ever seen one, folks. Ooh, all right. All right, so you guys can see how tenuous things can get when you start breaching support. So we got this tail that came down. It still might come down, folks. We got a double cross. We got a double cross. Working on another double cross. It's getting pretty tight in here, folks. So I've been talking all day, so 6 hours, and then plus this video right now. So folks, I'm gonna kill the live. So this is literally what we do every single day, folks. Every single day in here, we talk about these trades. And again, I still think we're going to go get that 534.24. So I'm going to do my my ending credits right here, folks. If you like our videos, please go ahead and give us a like and a subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. That way you can be notified when we drop new content, which is just about every day, folks. Just about every day. Not every day. Some days we don't. I didn't yesterday. Now, if you are interested in live daily trading, head on over to our live trading Discord. It's called Trading Decoded. The link for that is down below. And you can see it right up here, folks. That's what we're talking about, Trading Decoded. Best Discord in the world, folks. This is what we do every single day. Come on, give us 24. You might see this while we're live, folks. I'm not going to put up the Trading Decoded sign only because I'll probably put it in the lower right. Because we're going to take out that 24, and when we do, folks, it's going to be a grand and glorious day. It's already a good day. Well, we got so close to closing out of that trade on that breach, but we never did. Okay, so we're still good, still good. But anyway, Trading Decoded, folks, we do this every single day. If you're interested in the 920 crossover strategy, head on over to 920trading.com. All of the information is there for the entire world to see, folks. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars on a super secret strategy that is neither super nor secret. It's all available for you if you're willing to spend a little bit of time looking for it, folks. But again, I think we're going to hit that level. I think we're going to go up and get that. We got 534.24. I've got a screen here. I've got a screen on my other monitor also, folks. But again, let's go get that 24. So this is how we've done it all day today, folks. Again, 25 minutes into this video. So I'm going to have to cut this thing off. But I hope everybody has a great rest of the day. I hope above all else, everybody has followed their trading plan today, folks. Again, the beauty is in the trading plan. So thanks for spending a little bit of your precious time with us. We hope you guys have a great rest of the day. And we will see you in the markets.